Toupee, need a new K. New babe, new fade, nigga, new wife.
What's going on, YouTube? Ethan, wherever you want to call me, and back in another video. As you can see by the thumbnail, the title, everything. If you have me on Snapchat, you know what this video is. I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate or just create in general. Sorry, these are beat up, but that's why I did this. The cartoon Jordan 4. See all the back right there. Yeah. Right there. And the before is right here. I'm going to show you guys how to create that with this. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, all the people that hate on me, I mean, love you guys, you know? I mean, it's nothing. It's alright. You gotta have haters, have supporters. I got a bunch of supporters. I probably have haters for no reason. I only have like 200 subs. But I got haters. Nah, I'm just playing. I don't even fight. I'm too scared. But, so I'm about to go clean these off. And if you hear any like walking or sound up there, I'm sorry. We're having solar panels put in, so if the lights go off or anything like that, my apologies. My heart, sorry for you. Wait, yeah, my heart, sorry for you. I forgot what I was about. Yeah, let's go in the bathroom and clean these muff up. Nah, I don't cuss. Let's replay the clip without the bleep. Muff. Yeah, I don't cuss. Okay, let's go clean these things off. Alright, so we're in my bathroom. If you saw my prank on my mom, you know what video this already is. Or this area. So, if you hear any background noise, like I already said, my apologies. There's people working on solar panels right now, so all I'm going to do is do this. I'm unlacing the fours. Shoelaces are off. And these shoes are very beat. I bought them used. So beat up. Alright, so I don't know how good this is going to be. So I just get a little thing of soap and water. Put it in there, mix it. Yeah, okay. And I got this little... I don't have like a brush to do my shoes, you know. Shout out a little dude, Peppa Pig, you know, coming in clutch. So all I gotta do is just go over it and just scrub it. I'll get like kind of close to the camera so you guys can see this. Now it's wiping off time. I dropped a towel. Alright guys, so now we're done. It's still pretty dirty. But you know what? I don't care. Okay, so take these laces. Take your laces, and then the soap and water you had right here. Just drop them mugs in. Yeah, mugs like muggy bugs. Mix it around. Get all that dirt off, and take them out. Right here. And just squeeze it out. Get all the dirt out. Keep squeezing this thing. And then my suggestion is run it through some water. And just keep squeezing it. Okay, they're probably not going to get any much cleaner than they already were, but they're still pretty dirty. Okay, so put it in here. Mix this thing around. Okay, so now that these are done, we're going to let that dry. I'll see you guys back in my room whenever we start working on this custom. Alright, so I'm going to take a little stroll around my room. Yeah. I can't film right now because I have no lamp light and I need the video to be better quality. So I guess I have to wait till later and I'll keep filming while my hand's shaking, holding this thing, holding this tripod up. So I'm gonna just do this later. It's gonna be like 1 second to you guys. I'm gonna start working on this, but it might be darker. Shoot. Oh no. Alright, my face is red. It's hot. But you can see the lights are back on. That literally took like 3 minutes after I even said that in my last clip. And my PS4 turning back on. I'm eating a granola bar while I wait. Shout out Quaker for sponsoring the video. Just kidding. I'm gonna have to figure out how to do this. So it's gonna take me a little bit to figure out how to do this. Like, in a good environment. I might have to move this TV down. So, what you guys are going to need? Well, what I needed is a fat mug Sharpie. A normal Sharpie. And this is just like, if you want to do the, right here, shout out to Tavion, I know, he did the lettering for me. The lettering, if you want to do lettering, I can't do it, so probably have to wait for him. And, if you have any mess ups, you know, if you're a mistake like me, I'm just kidding. Use flat white Angelus paint and then black Angelus paint if you need it. And then a brush, but I got brushes everywhere. so that is the video. I hope you guys did enjoy on how to make these custom cartoon Air Jordan 4s. Sorry if this video is kind of like shaky and all that stuff. I'm not very good at drawing or anything. And I mean, it looks alright, to be honest. It's got a little thing. This is bothering me right now. I need to touch this part up real quick. Mid video touch-ups. End of video touch-ups, not mid. What the heck? Mid video touch-up. Okay, I have to touch it up real quick. I mean, I don't want to do the laces yet, but side by side. There's this thumbnail. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, don't forget to leave a like. Comment what you guys want to see next. I'll probably have in like another. I'm gonna have a funny video tomorrow coming out. I'm gonna be prank calling some stores. You'll see that. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. Like I already said, if you did, leave a like. Comment what you want to see next. Like I said, turn on post notifications if you're new and you haven't subscribed yet, and also subscribe if you're at it. On the road to 300. Just hit 5K views. Let's get to 6K. Get this video to 30 likes. That's it. Ethan Dub. I'm out. See you guys.
Smoking booth pack, I is out the roof back. In my home crib when they ask me what a stoop at.